Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning from ayah number 13 of Surah Abasa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. في صحف مكرمة. Fi will be two haraka long because there are only three natural mads in Quran. One is alif sakina qablaha maftuh. If you find alif without anything and you find fatha before this alif immediate before alif, you will make it two haraka long. This is one of the mad asli. And then ya sakina qablaha maksur. If you find ya and before ya you find kasra, you will make it two haraka long. And if you will find waw with sukun and you will find dhamma before it, you will make it two haraka long. So this is one of the combination. Yeah, there is ya. Look, there is ya, and you find kasra before it. So fi suhufim su, saw this heavy letter hu, and for every dhamma you have to circle your lips. Suhu fim. For kasra, give e sound, e, fi, fim, and then there is gunna on mim. Gunna is to keep the sound in your nose for a longer period of time. This is akmal gunna. Suhufim. Dhamma is short and circle your lips. Kaf is attached with ra, and ra will be heavy. Whenever you find fatha or dhamma on ra, it will be heavy. So this is a heavy ra. I'm giving capital H for this. Mukarwama. And when you stop at this circle ta, this is called circle ta. If you stop here, you will then it will be changed into ha. It will not be it will not be the same as ta. It will be changed into ha. Mukarrama. Marfu, mim is light, ra is heavy. Why ra is heavy? When ra is with sakun, then you check the letter before it. If it has fatha or dhamma, you will make ra heavy too. So here the ra is heavy. Marfu, fu is two counts long. Maru, and there will be tawassut on ra. This there will be medium flow of sound on ra. Marfu'a, ayn is short, and from your throat, tim ta has the kasra has e sound. Every kasra has e sound. Tim, and there will be gunna whenever there meme and noon will get tashdid. They will get akmal gunna, longer gunna. Meme and noon with tashdid will get akmal gunna, and that is a longer period of time. So marfu'atim. Meme is light, to is heavy. To ha ra, and then ra will be heavy again, and it will be attached to this ha, because this ta has changed into ha because we are giving waqf. Whenever you give waqf on circle ta, it will be changed into ha, ra, mutahhara. B, for every kasra give e, and it is shorter vowel. B a, this is lean, give two haraka long time. B a, two counts long. D, two counts long. It's AD. It's not AD, but it's not BAD. BA for fatha, give longer time. BAD, sa, C, short, fa, short. Give hums in fa. There should be a flow of breath. Safara. Ra will be heavy and the sound will be short, and it will be attached with the coming ha because it has changed again. If you will not stop here, it will not change the sound. It will be okay. I'll do it for you. بأيدي سفرة كرام بررة. Look, I didn't change the sound. it was ta if I joined with the ayah coming up. But if I stop here, I choose to stop, I will change this ta into ha. Safara. Ki, kaf is light. Ra is heavy and two counts long. Kira, mim. Again, the kasra has e sound. Mim. And it is ikhfai. No, it is iqlab. So after tanween, you find ba. Whenever you find ba after tanween, you'll change the sound of noon into mim. Kiramim ba short ra short ra ra. Both raws are have short sound but heavy, and the last one is attached with the ha. Ba U of is heavy, and for every dhamma, make a habit. Where for every dhamma, for every page, you have to circle your lips. If you will not circle your lips, the count of that haraka will not be fulfilled, and that is a big mistake. So ti, for kasra, give e sound ti lal, and for lam Sakun, you will give tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Qutilal in ikhfa. This is a light ikhfa. Whenever you find noon with sakun and there is a ikhfa letter coming up, then you will change and you will hide the sound of noon and you will keep it in your nose and you will go towards the makhraj of the letter coming up. Here is the scene. You will go towards the makhraj of scene. Insanu, sa, two counts long, nu, two count, and nu, circle your lips, and the sound is short. Insanu, ma, four haraka long, ak, for fatha, give very strong sound, short and strong sound, and attach it with kaf and give hums. On kaf, you're giving hums. Ak, ak, fa, fa has hums too. And for fatha, open your jaws. Ak, fa, ro. Ro is heavy and attach it with a ha. And it will get raqawa. Raqawa is a flow of sound. So how the sound of ha should flow. Ma akthara min. You'll give tawassut on noon sakin, and that is a medium flow of sound. Min. You will not stop noon abruptly, but give a medium flow of sound. Min ayyi. This will get nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Ayyi. Whenever you find wow and ya with tashdid, you will give number. A number is a jump of sound. Ayyi, and kasra is short, e sound. Shay, shay is lean and it will be two counts long. Shay, give a very good time for fatha and then attach it with ya. Sha and ay. Shay in. There will be izhar and the sifa will be tawassut. Shay'in. Kha is heavy and short sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Khalaqah. Kha, open your jaws. La, open your jaws. Qa, make it heavy and open your jaws and then attach it with ha and ha will get rikhawa. Khalaqah. Min nutfatin khalaqahu faqaddarah. Min, there it will be gunna, akmal gunna, because it is idgham with gunna. So you are merging these two noons and it will get gunna too. Min nuqta. Ta will have qalqala and it will be heavy too. Min nuqta. Fa is short, give hums. Tin, idhar. Idhar will get the sifa of tawassut. So give a medium flow of sound. You cannot stop it abruptly. It's not نطفة خلق. No, it's there should be a medium flow of sound here because there is tanween and it is getting izhar and izhar will get sifa of tawassut. Fatin. Sorry, it's not that long. Min nutfatin khalaqahu. Kha is heavy, kha short, la short and light, and qaf is heavy. So two letters beside lam are heavy, so don't make lam heavy. Lam is never heavy. So khalaqa. So if you are not very fluent, give separate sound. خلق. خلق. Who is 2 counts long, and make sure you circle your lips for every dhamma. F, give hums, and for fatha open your jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy, dal is light. Qad, da is short. Ra, faqaddara. And that ha will get rukhawa and ra will be heavy. Because we already said that whenever ra gets dhamma or fatha, it will be heavy. فَقَدَّرَهُ ثُمَّ السَّبِيلَ يَسَّرَهُ. ثُمَّ for dhamma, circle your lips. Mim, give gunna. Thum. Why? Because whenever you find mim or noon with tashdid, you will give akmal gunna. Thumma. Sin will get safir and rakhawa. Thumma sa. For fatha, give a short and sound, and for fatha, open your jaws. B, 2 counts long. Sabila, la is short. Yes, and safi. Sin will get safi. Yes, sa for fatha, open your jaws. Ra, ra will be heavy, and ha will get rukhawa. يسره. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.